Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add rows to table in LibreOffice Writer. So first we need to create a new table. So I click on this one icon to insert a table. And for example, I will add here maybe table with 2 columns and 2 rows. So I select these dimensions and now maybe I will fill this table. So I type here A, here B, here C and here D. And now if I would like to insert a row, I will click somewhere here on the D position. Now I go to insert and I need to select here rows above or rows below. So for example, I select first one option, so I click on this one option and how you see, new row has been successfully inserted here. But if I would like to insert it below, I need to click right mouse button here, I need to go to insert and I need to select here rows below. In this way you can easily add rows to table in LibreOffice Writer. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.